welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix AT&T app not loading. If your AT&T app is not loading, what you can do firstly is check your mobile Wi-Fi, mobile data, and I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. After you turn it on, you need to turn it off. And what next you need to do is tap on your device settings. After you tap on your device settings, scroll down, tap on apps. After you tap on apps, tap on app management. After you tap on app management, what you need to do is you need to tap on source. Right now I'm going to show it from another app. After you tap on AT&T app, you will see storage usage. Tap on storage usage. After you tap on storage usage, what you can do is tap on clear cache. After you tap on clear cache, what next you can do is you need to update the app. You can update the app from App Store or Google Play Store. And after you update the app, uninstall and reinstall it. Press the app. After you press the app, tap on uninstall. Like this, you can fix AT&T app not loading. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.